Hey guys, I'm Nick, and on this episode of the Scran Line, I'm going to show you guys how to make these. Well, actually, I don't have a name for them yet, so I want you guys to name them, but they're basically fairy floss or cotton candy flavored cupcakes. They look super cute, so come up with the most creative name you can, leave it in the comments box below, and I'll pick a winner that will name the cupcake. Let's get stuck into the cupcakes. Okay guys, so we're going to start off with the cupcake. So you want to pop your flour, sugar, baking powder and salt. Now I've got a lot of questions about the salt I use. I use pink sea salt. It doesn't make a difference what type of coloured salt you use. I just use pink so you guys can see it in the videos a little bit better. You're going to mix that until it's well combined. Next you're going to add your butter and mix that until you reach a crumbly sand-like texture. Then you want to add your eggs, milk, oil, yogurt. Now I'm using some fairy floss flavouring and it's the Robert's confectionery brand. You want to add that in there along with your vanilla extract. You're going to mix that until everything is well combined. Now I'm going to use some white food gel because if we use blue with this kind of yellowish tinted batter, it's going to come out green. So we want to whiten the batter and then we're going to colour it blue and pink. You want to pop those into a piping bag, snip off a little bit of the end, and you're going to pipe little squiggles of that batter, alternating between each colour as you go. You want to fill these up about 3/4 of the way and then you want to bake them. Once they're baked, let them cool down completely. Now I'm going to be showing you guys how to make some Swiss meringue. So we're going to be using meringue frosting for this. That's not meringue buttercream. We're going to be making meringue. So you want to add some egg whites and sugar into a bowl, which is sitting on top of a pot of boiling water. You want to make sure the bottom of the bowl is not touching the water. Now you want to whisk that. While the water is boiling. Now continue whisking until the sugar dissolves. So you should be able to feel it in between your fingers. It'll be completely dissolved. You want to pop that into a stand mixer. You can use a hand mixer for this as well. We're going to use a whisk attachment. You want to whisk this up until it gets nice and thick and glossy. We're going to use some more fairy floss in there as well to flavour that. Guys, you want to split this in between two bowls. Colour one blue, colour one pink. Now I've got a little mini chocolate candy bar here, mold. These are so cute. We're going to be using these on our cupcakes. So you want to add some little sprinkles at the bottom. You can use any kind of sprinkles you like. I'm using white ones. And we're going to add some pink choc melts here as well. And you want to melt them obviously and then put them in a piping bag, pipe them into the molds. Use an offset spatula to kind of smoothen out the top. Once you've got it nice and smooth, you're going to pop these in the fridge for about 10 to 15 minutes. Let them set completely and they should come out super easy. Okay, so our cupcakes baked beautifully. I'm just joking guys. These are obviously not baked beautifully. I wanted to show you guys today what happens when you overbake a cupcake and when the temperature is too high. Obviously, the colour of the cupcake is not right. There's caramelization. It looks terrible. So this is because the temperature was too high. Also, the top of it is cracked. It's not risen perfectly like I like my cupcakes. Again, temperature is too high. So if you're experiencing this with your cupcakes, turn the temperature down. So my recipe says 160 degrees Celsius. If this is what's happening to you with 160 degrees Celsius, turn it down to 140. Then you want to turn it down to 120 if it keeps on happening. So here are the proper cupcakes. You can see they look completely different. Beautiful, bright, gorgeous colors. Nice, flat, even top. We're going to pipe our meringue on top in little blobs alternating between the colors. Once you've piped your meringue on your cupcake, stick that cute little mini chocolate bar on top. Finish them off with a sprinkle of those white sprinkles, and guys, that is pretty much it. Okay guys, so those were my, well, again, we haven't named them yet, but you can leave your suggestions in the comments down below. If you enjoyed watching this video, make sure you hit the like button. And if you haven't subscribed yet and you're watching for the first time, welcome. I upload 2 new videos a week for you guys. So hit the subscribe button, and you can find the recipe on on my website. thescranline.com, a link for that is in the box below. Thank you so much for watching guys. I will see you all on the next episode of the Scran Line.